Good morning, everyone. We are FaradaiIC, a German startup from Munich, and we are miniaturizing gas sensors. You're probably all aware of the sensor revolution that happened in the last few decades. We have motion, touch, and optical sensors in everyday consumer objects, such as a smartphone or a sports smartwatch. However, this sensor revolution for gas sensors has not happened yet. The vision of FaradaiIC is bringing billions of gas sensors into all these various markets, starting from fitness and logistics to the hydrogen economy. One market we're particularly interested in is power distribution electrical grid market. There are over 100 million transformers all over the world, and most of them are unmonitored. You literally have to send teams into the field to check the status of these transformers, take samples of the insulating oil inside, bring them into the lab, and see what's going on in there. And this is just not sustainable. This is now not how remote monitoring works nowadays. And this aging electrical grid is indeed a liability. During their work time, through aging and environmental factors such as heat, this oil produces gases, which when accumulate can cause explosions, blackouts in our neighborhoods, and of course high repair and maintenance costs and lost revenues. This problem is that current solutions, current gas sensors that could monitor that are just too expensive and too bulky to be integrated in these low-cost transformers. So the solution, including remote monitoring electronics, has to be under $100. And the solution to that is what FaradaiIC Sensors is doing. We're combining our proprietary materials with microfabrication technology, and we manufacture electrochemical gas sensors the same way you manufacture electronic chips. It is 10 times more effective. It's a 100 times smaller form factor. Our first product is a literally 2 by 2 millimeter chip, and it's also much easier to integrate into any industrial solution. So we are more than happy to collaborate with Arteche within the Bind 4.0 project here on a wireless IoT, industrial IoT monitoring solution for low-cost transformers, which combines oil quality monitoring and sensing for hydrogen inside these transformers, and allows for remote monitoring of these devices to prevent the disastrous blow-ups of transformers due to gas accumulation. Our team, Ryan is expert in material science and chemistry, and I am coming from the sensor and microfabrication background, utilizing those materials to create our unique sensors. We also have a very strong advisor, a former CEO of Energy Management Division at Siemens, who can explain us the market and who could also, together with Arteche, help us bring this product to the market. And of course, all of that would be impossible without our growing technical team. So I'm giving over to Arteche to present their point to Begonia.
This is Oscar Fernandez Retana, Innovation, Research and Development Director and CTO at Arteche. He was supposed to stay here with us today, but for personal reasons he cannot be here. We had to adapt, so I'm here instead of him. This is innovation, flexibility, resilience. I'm Begonia Uribarrena, Innovation Ecosystem Leader at Arteche. As you know, at Arteche, we have been working and promoting energy industry for 75 years. 90% of world's utilities rely on Arteche. Our focus is innovation with results, sustainable growth, environmental commitment in the entire power grid. We are promoting the energy, digital and green transition in topics such as smart grid, renewable energy, sustainable insulating, assets monitoring, cybersecurity or IoT. Esperamos seguir sumando energías. Eskerrik asko.